I'm George Ratiu, Senior Economist with Realtor.com. We are in April, ready for blossoms, sunnier days, and the renewal of spring, with the economy showing signs of growth. Manufacturing companies saw faster gains in March, with the Institute for Supply Management Index reaching a 38-year high. 17 of the 18 industries tracked by ISM advanced, even as companies reported challenges with supply chains. New car sales data highlighted a resurgent economy with stronger consumer spending. Sales reached the highest level since the pandemic as more people sprang for new cars, trucks, and SUVs. Employment data offered another bright spot this week, showing a big wave of new hires in March across all sectors of the economy, with noticeable gains in leisure, hospitality, education, and construction. The unemployment rate declined during the month. The good news is that the economy is on a clear path to recovery. However, as this week's jump in jobless insurance claims shows, we still have a few challenges ahead. The number of Americans relying on benefits remains elevated. Even with challenges, we are collectively seeing brighter signs ahead. The Consumer Confidence Index also reached its highest point since the pandemic's start last March, as the outlook for labor market conditions improved. Similar to the variable weather, this week's real estate data offered a mixed picture. The Census Bureau reported that construction spending saw a slight monthly decline during February, but posted higher values from a year ago. Meanwhile, contract signings for existing homes dropped in February for the fourth consecutive month, as activity declined in all regions of the country. Looking at more recent numbers, the Realtor.com March housing data indicate a very competitive early spring season. With inventory evaporating at an unseasonably hot pace, buying a home has become a win-at-all-cost process, with multiple bids and price escalation clauses driving listing prices to an all-time high. With a growing share of young buyers, the markets are in clear need of a lot more homes for sale. On the financing front, mortgage rates jumped to the highest point since June of last year, adding another obstacle for today's home buyers to overcome. For a medium-priced home, buyers will spend an additional $93 per month, which adds up to more than $1,100 per year. With rising rates, mortgage applications declined as both purchases and refinances took a step back. Stay well this week, enjoy the warming weather, and look for next week's economic update.